I had been traveling in the UK, actually.
In May, 5 days after arriving back home in Seattle, Ryan started experiencing symptoms.
That were, odd that I didn't know. Just like sort of some stuff on my skin.
He went to his dermatologist and primary care doctor, but they were dismissive.
And so I thought, like, how do I find a doctor that is going to put more effort into this?
Ryan found a community clinic that ran a bunch of tests which came back negative. So he did his own research and went back to the doctor.
And then we agreed that we should talk to the CDC, and then we did. And then it sort of went from there.
And so you got tested?
Yep, yeah.
It came back positive?
Yeah, so they tested me immediately, within a couple of hours. So it was super scary, and I think the stress and anxiety that comes with that probably exacerbated the symptoms.
At that point, Ryan was the first confirmed case of monkeypox in Washington. He says King County Health was extremely helpful.
Since then, so much more information has come to light, and we know a lot more about the pace that it's spreading and how fast that it's spreading, and yet it still seems like the reaction hasn't really changed much.
Dr. Matthew Golden, who's the director of Seattle and King County's HIV STD program, says the number of cases are doubling each week.
We think ideally we would have at least 80,000 doses of vaccine. What we have at present is only 6% of that number.
King County received its latest shipment of 3,300 doses Wednesday and have been vaccinating people at Harborview Medical Center. They plan to continue vaccinating 1/3 at Harborview, send 1/3 to providers around the county.
And a third will be administered through community vaccine events, which we hope to have up and running in approximately 10 days.
Ryan recently asked to get vaccinated and has been told by King County that he's not considered eligible since he's recently recovered.
That we have tools that can prevent the spread, and we're not using them to our fullest extent. And so that's what's tough for me to see.
His friends have gone to Canada.
So I've also considered going to Canada or going somewhere else to get it.
I'm Kristen Goodwillie, King 5 News.